Making steak, rice, and green beans. We already started a little bit.
Okay. Now y'all good on that end. I'm gonna show you the exact amount of seasoning to put on the green beans.
We haven't cooked the green beans yet. All you have to do is put them in and stir them up.
So you
barely missed
y'all take
something.
notes.
Put the top in. Let's go to the next part with rice. Looking good. Need some. You're gonna need some sauce in your
No.
drizzle.
This it.
There.
That's it.
Okay, wait. You want this? This is the sauce you're gonna need. Up and all blue, highlight, blue. But it's really red. I was the one who was cooking up the green beans, but the green beans isn't cooked yet.
Teaching y'all how to cook today.
Yep, Uncle Jim.
Yeah. Just whenever you use the seasoning sauce, you use it light, sprinkle it light.
We had got some of the black pepper and put it over our meat.
Jada, you can sprinkle a little bit more black pepper.
This right here, not the long one. This one. Or the tablespoon with this one, the sprinkle one.
That's good enough.
No, that's good.
You wanna open it? Oh.
No, hold on.
Close it up.
Hold on. Yeah.
You wanna get some sauce and put it inside of your green beans. We haven't cooked them yet.
Bless you. That's that pepper. You okay?
I like when the stove get blue. Okay, but the stove is really that hot. So the green beans, you have to have a fork, not a spoon, a fork, and stir it all up. But you haven't put anything in there yet. You need the salt to put in there, salt to sprinkle.
You know how
Oh yeah.